Welcome back, guys. Let's go pick some tomatoes. Look at this tomato right here. Yes, guys, I have a tree loaded with tomato. So I'm making my way through these lovely plants here so I can get on the other side to pick the rest of tomatoes. I think I have about 4 tomatoes right here. Look at these, how beautiful they are. Very, very red, sweet, nice. So I'm going to be making tomato paste, tomato sauce. Please like the video, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe and touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time I post a video. Look at these tomatoes. Wow, I got a lot, guys. I told you the tree was loaded. Here you go. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Yes, guys, walk good, do good. Good will always follow you. And please enjoy these beautiful pictures at the end of the video. And I'll see you again in another video, guys. Try to eat healthy. Yes, healthy is the way to go right now. Alright? Get rid of the bad foods, eat more vegetables, more fruits, and drink more water. Exercise. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you again. Bye, guys. Love you all. Bye. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. I welcome you. You're at the right place. Bye-bye.